You can plant cauliflower in April to have a winter harvest. You can plant them in 5 liter containers, even 10 liter containers. Um, you can plant them, or you can plant them direct in the ground. Adequate spacing is needed because the flowers tend to grow a bit big. Um, they love the cooler weather, and they don't like the hot sun like in summer. So April, you can plant cauliflower. They will harvest within 70 till 90 days. Then we have second on the list is um, switch chard, or like they call it also spinach. Spinach you can also plant in April. They are a crop that likes colder weather. Um, they tend to go best when it's cooler, like in autumn and in winter. But they can plant them also in spring. Yeah, you just need to water them thoroughly, deep water, and water them at least uh, every other day. Um, the you can harvest them within 30 days. You can just um, harvest the outer leaves. You can harvest the outer leaves, and the inner leaves will still grow until they are mature, which will be 100% ready for harvest within 30 to 45 days. Then we have cabbage. Cabbage you can also grow, plant in April. They are also a winter crop, and they will be ready to harvest within 90 days, 90 up to 120 days to harvest. Um, they need adequate spacing because their leaves it grows big. Cabbage needs a lot of water and nutrition, and they need, like I said, constantly water. Yeah, cabbage is a nice crop, but it's a bit difficult to grow. But in the end, it will be satisfying. Um, then we have lettuce. Lettuce is also autumn winter crop. Lettuce you can plant like in April. They will be ready within 45 days, 30 to 45 days for harvest, ready to harvest. Um, they also like the cooler weather. You can plant them in 5 liter containers or sow it direct into your soil. The seeds is very tiny, so you just don't plant them too deep. You can just throw some seeds on top of your soil, and then you slightly cover it with soil, and and water them. Yeah, they will be ready to harvest within 30 to 45 days. You can also harvest your outer leaves, and they the inner leaves will go towards each other, which you can harvest within 30 to 45 days. Um, Last on our list is beetroot. Beetroot is also a autumn winter crop. Beetroot need also spacing. Um, they are ready to harvest within 70 days. Beetroot, you can plant beetroot. A companion plant with beetroot will be onions. It will deter the pests. Beetroot loves the colder weather, so they will, like I said, they will be ready to harvest within 70 days. They need adequate spacing. Um, yeah, you can harvest them in 70 days, and you can plant them, the seedlings, in trays, and then transplant them into your soil when there's about 2 to 3 true leaves.